Let us consider an AC circuit with inductor and resistor. So the alternating voltage source V equals to V naught sin omega t is connected with series combination of inductor and resistor. Let the peak value of voltages across the inductor and resistor are VOL and VOR. The current equation which is flowing through this circuit is given by I equals to I naught sin omega t plus phi, where phi is the phase difference between voltage and current. In case of resistance, the voltage across resistance and current are in phase, that is phase difference is 0. While in case of inductor, the voltage across inductor leads the current by angle pi by 2. Using these properties, if we draw the phasor diagram, then in this phasor diagram, VOR and I0 are in the same phase, and this VOL is 90 degree ahead of this VOR or IO. To find resultant of VOR and VOL, we use the parallelogram law of vector addition. And according to this law, we draw the two lines parallel to VOR and VOL, and the point of intersection we join a vector from the center, and this vector will be called VO, which is the applied peak voltage. So in this situation, the VO and IO are at the phase angle of phi. And we can write the relation, since this is VOL, this is also VOL, lengthwise they are equal. So in this right angle triangle, if we apply the Pythagoras theorem, then it will be VO square is equals to VOR square plus VOL square. That is, the voltage across the inductor and voltage across resistor connected with the voltage applied by this relation. Using Ohm's law, we can substitute the value of VOR equals to I0R and VOL equals to I0XL. So after substituting these values, we can find this equation easily, and taking a square root, then VO will be what? It is IO under root of R square plus XL square. And this square root term, which is under root R square plus XL square, is called the impedance of this circuit, and it is represented by the symbol Z. This impedance is also the part of the circuit which obstructs the current, or the property of the circuit which obstructs the current. XL is what? It is omega L. So we can also substitute the value of XL. Again, if we find the phase difference between voltage and current, then in this right angle triangle AOB, the tan phi will be what? It is perpendicular upon base. So it is VOL upon VOR. VOL, using again these Ohm's law, VOL is I0 XL, VOR is I0 R. I0 will cancel out and we get XL by R. XL is what? It is omega L. So this tan phi equals to omega L by R. And we can write the phase difference phi equals to tan inverse omega L by R. One more thing, which is the power factor of this circuit. And power factor is represented by the term cos phi. So cos theta is what? It is the base upon hypotenuse. So base is what? It is V naught R. Hypotenuse is what? It is V naught. Again, using Ohm's law, we can write I naught R upon I naught Z. I naught cancel out and we get R by Z. So this R by Z, which is the cos phi or the power factor, is common formula for all different AC circuits.